the expansion of BRICS.
We are slightly concerned about the fact that a number of African countries that have been accepted to join the BRICS family is very limited.
Iyatshayisana imbono yenhlangano zepolitiki zekhethwapha ukwamkelwa kwamanye amazwe e-Afrika ngaphakathi kwe-BRICS.
It was free and fair for voter. No anything wrong with it. All is good. We expect good changes and nice things to come.
Bathi bakhambe kuhle ukuyokuvota ekhabo eZimbabwe abantu beZimbabwe abahlala lapha eSouth Africa kodwa nabatsho bafuna amachuguluko. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesiNdebele lotshani. Angaphezu kwama-20 amazwe atshengise ukuba nekareko yokuba malunga wehlanganisela yamazwe ngamazwe i-BRICS nanyana kunjalo asithandathu kwaphela angenileko. Lokhu sekususe imibuzo eminingi malungana nekambiso elandelweko ukwamkela i-Argentina, i-Egypt, i-Ethiopia, i-Iran, i-United Arab Emirates ne-Saudi Arabia ngaphakathi kwe-BRICS.
Lesi isikhathi esitsha se-BRICS ihlanganisela le ithatha ukukhula kwayo ngendlela yokuhlela ngobutsha ikambiso yephasi ethi seyidala. Nanyana kunjalo amanye amazwe bekafake imbawo zokujoyina i-BRICS akhange akufumane bekakulindelela.
We've covered the whole spectrum of the global south in terms of the countries that we have brought from different regions, and this was done through consensus. All of the 5 countries had to be satisfied that these are the countries that we want collectively to bring in.
Ihlangano le kwanje seyifake namazwe anendima ku-OPEC.
I think it's good for the BRICS region. Already we had 2 very oil-rich, gas-rich countries in the configuration. Brazil and Russia are significant countries in terms of energy. Now you have these 3 countries that are also well endowed in terms of energy resources. It also further fortifies BRICS standing on the global stage in terms of being a group of countries that have substantial resources, including energy resources, in terms of the global economy.
Okunye okubonakala kusishijilo ukuthi amanye amalunga amatsha we-BRICS akanamlando omuhle wamalungelo obuntu.
It's wrong to point fingers at BRICS and even the new members that we have invited to become party to BRICS as being violators of human rights, as if the rest of the world, those that are pointing fingers at us, are not doing that. We didn't create slavery. It didn't come from the global south. We didn't create colonialism. It didn't come from the global south. We didn't create racism. It didn't come from the global south. Where did it come from? These are the very countries pointing fingers at us.
Mhlangano we-BRICS olandelako achiya ngomnyaka ozako.
Iyatshayisana imbono yenhlangano zepolitiki zeSouth Africa ngemva kokuvalwa kwembizo ye-BRICS izolo. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana kungezelelwe amazwe amalunga we-BRICS ebekamahlanu ngaphambilini esele ali-11 njenganje. Embizweni le kuthethwe isiqundo sokubana amazwe i-Iran, i-Egypt, i-Ethiopia, i-Argentina, i-Saudi Arabia kunye ne-United Arab Emirates sekazokuba malunga we-BRICS.
The DA Iran and Saudi Arabia into BRICS with concern. The addition of 2 new member states run by authoritarian regimes with concerning totalitarian tendencies may tip the scales in favor of an illiberal, oppressive, and autocratic approach to foreign relations and trade.
We have some of the world's largest deposits of platinum and other precious raw minerals, and we cannot be exporting those raw minerals and materials without beneficiating those materials within our nation. We welcome foreign direct investment.
We are slightly concerned about the fact that a number of African countries that have been accepted to join the BRICS family is very limited. We were hoping that under the chairmanship of President Cyril Ramaphosa, African countries were going to be the majority of those that would be accepted to be part of the family.
The expansion of the membership of the BRICS countries was expected. It is clear that there is an effort to create an alternative against the Western economic bloc in future, but it is not as simple as that. It is not an easy road to travel.
The expansion of BRICS, believing that the project of the de-dollarization of society is a necessary undertaking if we are to make sure that these countries are able to grow without being bullied by the West.
Njengoba nalisaragela phambili ihlelo lokubala amavoti wekhetho leZimbabwe, ezinye izakhamuzi zenarha leya esele zihlala lapha eSouth Africa zithomile ukubuya ekhethwapha. Solo zikhambe ngelesithathu ekhethweni elingezelelwe isikhathi bekwaba kuyizolo.
Babuyile abanye babantu beZimbabwe ebebayokuvota ekhaya ekungilabo esele banzinze lapha eSouth Africa. Banye babo abafana noDelton Mutero noJoe Hendricks bathi bavotele ihlangano abayibona ezakuletha umehluko elizweni lekhabo.
It was free and fair for voters. No anything wrong with. Oh, it's good. It's quite good. The votes they went well, but we expect good changes and nice things to come.
Nomthamo wenkoloyi ubonakala ukhuphuka ntambama nje.
Ikhotho ephakemeko yePitori iragele phambili nokuchuka ngembuzo. Ipolisa uBonginkosi Mtshali obekangikhomanda estation samapholisa lapho kwabe kwakhona isigidi esadumuza uSenzo Meyiwa. Umtshali utshele ikhotho bona akhange ulalelo umlayo wango 2017 ukuthi isigidi eso kufanele sifahlazwe.
Mtshali utshele ikhotho bona sathathwa njani isigidi kuye. Sithathwa lipolisa umangena.
Sathathwa kumina nge20 ngangikhona sihamba seballistics by Colonel Mangena, then 7 days later on nge27 Lieutenant Colonel wasibuyisa futhi lama item back station awabuyisa kumina
bathi umangena nakasibuyisa kwakhanga sibuyisele ngesefeni.
Sathi nje mase receiver asingenanga ngisho estore ubrigadier Genini umangena umesibuyisa asingenanga ngisho ku safe.
Uthi bathi nobangela ukuthi sikhutshwe godi isigidezo ukuthi kwatholakala bona siyathindeka esehlakalweni sobulelesi senzeke eFosloras.
Emva kokuphenyo usesitholile ukuthi sixhumana nale case yaseFosloras so uyasusa kuthini.
Icala lizokuragela phambili ngomvulo.
Nasibuya entolo.
Sicabangele thina as ma parents ukuthi labantwana abaye eMthopi na principal wethu savumelana sonke sonyalo government ubona ngathi sesende kahle urelaxile.
Bavale isikolo ababelethi besikolo esithileko ePinari eMpumalanga bathumela abantwana kesinye isikolo kodwa nabatsho umnyango wezefundo sowuphutha imkhono uthi konke kuhamba kuhle. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 na usanda kufika siyakwamkela. Khumbula ke indaba eziyatholakala ekhasini lethu leFacebook kunye na ku YouTube. Numbers come. Kunesinye godi isikolo esivalwe babelethi eMpumalanga ngelokuthi basabela ukuphepha kwabantwana babo. Isikolo samabanga aphasi Indlathu Primary eSepinar eMpumalanga yeMbombela sengesinye senkolo eziningi ezinomthangalo sisekelo onakeleko. Isikolo esisithi umnyango wezefundo uvumile bona umakhiwo wesikolo esi usebujameni obumbi kodwa nakhange uze nesisombululo.
Kuthiwa indlela into eqaleka ngayo ayisiyi indlela engakho. Isikolo esinabafundi abangaphezulu kwama900 siqaleka ngasuthi isikolo esisezingeni eliphezulu na usiqala ungaphandle kodwa nababelethi bathi bakateleleke bona basivale basabela zokuphepha bathi batsho umakhiwo wesikolo uyawa izulu nalinako ukufunda nokufundisa kuyaphazamiseka. Ababelethi bafuna umnyango wezifundo bona uqatshe ikampani ezokulungisa isikolo esikhona nje.
Sikolo sethu silikile masiling ayawa awela abantwana ekhathi emaklasini sakhala savala lapha nazivala ligede weta government nafia government lana wavala sikolo wasinacetha kuvala sikolo akasabuyi asisathi kusikwendekani.
Ama parents lamaningi ede imali yokuthi bagibelise abantwana siticabangele thina as ma parents ukuthi labantwana abaye eMthopi na principal wethu savumelana sonke sonyalo government ubona ngathi sesende kahle urelaxile.
Umkhandlo wengameli isikolo uthi uthethe isiqundo sokuba nabafundi baye esikolweni esimakhilomitha 3 kusuka lapha.
Solo si engage njengama member SGP sizama ukuthi i department ay speed up le process but isIindaba batali baze bona bathatha initiative.
Umnyango wezifundo wesifunda ubeke nganasindlela.
As an interim relief, the learners should be accommodated at Mtopi Primary School. The school will be renovated in the 2024-2025 financial year.
Ezinye inkolo ezisendaweni lenazo ziphazamisekile kanti ababelethi bafuna bona bazokuvala indlela zonke bekufike lapha umnyango lokuqasha ikampani zokulungisa isikolo esini.
Izakhamuzi ze-Alexandra eTlagwini eJohannesburg solo zibawa amapholisa ukuthi alwisane nobulelesi obuthuwelelako endaweni leya. Lokhu kulandela ukusahlelwa kwabogada abalwisana nobulelesi e-Alexandra. Ngeveke epheleleko, omunye umholi wabogada uThulani Zuma udunyizwa wabulawa.
Konke lokhu kwenzeka ngemva kokungcwatshwa komunye ugadi. Umphakathi walapha sewuphila impilo yomqasa.
Tlhokofaletse rena. Mara hara muthusha ka selo. Ntse re khonne go mo diela ona re molukile so nice. Re khopela re government e tsenelle mo crime.
Aka ke file ga monate ka ntwe etsalang mo ka di patrol tsa rona tse di sa tholeng nix tse bazama ngo re thusa ka re maponisa awayo.
Izakhamuzi ezi zifuna isekelo nensetshenziswe ezivele emapholiseni.
Number one, they should give them at least the training. Number two, they give them the bulletproofs. Number three, I think there must be a certain stipend because these people are really putting their lives on the line.
Isililo samva nje siza ngemva kokubulawa ngesihluku kwabogada abaphose ilihlo endaweni le. Njengombana kudunyuzwe kwabulawa bekwalimala abantu abambalwa sekubala noPolosi Mzimela kuye noThulani Zuma obulungwe ngeveke epheleleko. Njenganje umphakathi ulilela ibumbano phakathi kwamapholisa ihlangano esebenzisana namapholisa emphakathini CPF kunye nabogada ababeke ilihlo emphakathini.
We are asking upon the police to be more proactive and they must be visible to the communities. And another thing, they should start working hand in hand with the patrollers.
Amapolisa ayavuma ukuthi abogada bemphakathini basengozini kanti athi ahlela ukungezelela insetshenziswa kunye nembandulo. Nakusenjalo umphakathi ubawe ukuthi kususwe amapolisa akhohlakeleko enkhundleni ukwenzela ukwehlisa izinga lobulelesi.
I-ofisi enkulu yezemali bawe umasipalata wethulamela eLimpopo bona aletha amaphepha amalungana namakontraga wamathenda wezenzelwa. Lokho kulandela izwangobatsho ukuthi abosokontraga banikelwe ngendlela engakafanele imali engange-28 million yamaranda banikelwa umphathi kamasipalata. Umbiko womhlabi mkhosi bowusolo ugega enkundleni zokuthindana ukhomba umphathi kamasipalata uMasala Makumule nomphathi omkhulu Aluwani Gangashe.
That need us or that need our municipality to be tarnished.
Imanyuwa ikhalava ichanze nelunungwi ngezinye zendawo ezisithandathu yokulungiswa kwezindlela. Ilunungi yodwa yabelwe 2.5 million yamaranda yokulungisa indlela eyigrabule emakhilomitha amabili. Ezinye izakhamuzi zendawo zithi seminyaka kunganalitho elingaka lenziwa ngomasipalata ukuletha ukungcono endleleni zalapha. Bayatsho nokuthi inengikhulu imali ebekelwe ngeqadi ukulungisa ngobutsha indlela ngehlabathi nayilinganiswa nebanga elilungiswe ngobutsha ngehlabathi.
There's nothing the municipality is doing for us because we do not have roads and water. We're always complaining about the same thing, but they are doing nothing about it.
Umasipalata wethulameli ngomunye wabomasipalata ababili ezweneli engibo bodwa bafumene imali esibonelelo sehlekelele ofisini enkulu yemali. Omunye umasipalata iNelson Mandela Bay.
Kubike amacala amakhulu amathathu nama-50 wezenzo zokukhahlunyezwa ngokobulili kunye namacala adlula ekhulwini wokata endaweni yenkomazi eMpumalanga solo umnyaka lo uthomile. Imbalobalwezi zikatelele imeyara kamasipalata wenkomazi uphindile Magagula ukuthi athome ijima lokukhalima nokufundisa ngezenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili. Ukwenzela ukufundisa umphakathi ukuthi kufanele wenzeni nohlangano ijimeli likhanjelwe mapholisa kunye nomnyango wezempilo.
Lo mlayezo vele emphakathini weSkumansdal eNkomazi. Umphakathi lo uyisikimele phezulu indaba yezenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili.
We have almost 350 cases that has been reported for GBV, 110 cases for rape. That's why we feel a need as the municipality to let's try and communicate with our communities, educate them what it is that is supposed to do.
Abomma bahlathulule ubuhlungu abadlule kibo ezandleni zabantu abathandana nabo kanti bathi bebacabanga ukuthi bazakulisa ukubakhahlumeza.
Nelikhaya lami lengitakhele lona ngahlala ngenzaba yendlala nokuhlupheka ngathi sikumele ngiphume ngibheke kuphi ngatholakala ngilanza indoda ngihlala nayo ekhathe ekhaya lami kwahlukubeteka mina kwahlukubeteka nebantu abami. Bantu abami sebangibalekele bonke likhaya sengidecide ukulithengisa.
iMasukumeni liziko labongazimba abakhahlumezwa ngokobulili kanti inyanga le yodwa iMasukumeni ibe namacala amachumi 26 wabongazimba abakhahlumezwa ngokobulili kubala hlangana nabantu bembaji. Ikisibe ivele ihlalise abantu abadala abali-17 kunye nabantwana abali-12.
At Masukumeni, we assist victims by providing counseling and providing to those who need shelter. We provide them with shelter and also refer them to different stakeholders when needed.
Umera uthi unethemba lokuthi Gmail lizokukhuthaza abongazimba abakhahlumezwako ukuthi bavele ngaphambili bazokufuna isizo.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sikubuzile mbukeli ubona njengombana nakho iSundowns ikhamba yodwa ngamaphuzu sakho isiqhema sijame phi nakunje asizwe nakho umbona wakho uyalandela.
Sibanga indawo yesibili hlezi sibanga indawo yesibili Sundowns yazenzela nje yayitapela iSundowns.
Sundowns ayinkusi nakancane. Isichema sami sidlala kuhle ibhakaniya.
Lo Sundowns leyo iqala ukwenza samibonisa ethusa ngoku ayiphindi yenze lonto ngomnyaka lo.
#amasandawane ahlezi ejabulile.
Cha ngiyavuma kumanje anginankani. Abanikwe kumanje indebe ngoba akekho sakaba.
But iKaizer Chiefs mina ngizocala ukukhomenda ngayo after nabaceda udlala 10 games.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ngaphambi kokuthi sikhambe asilunguze kuSibusiso Sikhosana bona usiphathele ziphi ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi ngesimbi yesithandathu nje. Sibuka kujame njani ngapho?
Siyathokoza Thandeka umbukeli indaba angazilindela ezikhamba phambili kuKwekwezi FM ngileze zithi komiti yesikhatshana lapha eParliament ekhethelwe ukuthi ikhethe umvikeli womphakathi olandelako ithi bazokhetha umuntu okulungeleko ukuthi angangena esikhundleni. Sikhuluma nje ikomiti lesele icedile ukuhlunga abonkhethani indawo yenkomazi lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga kubikwa ukuthi ziphezulu izenzo zokuhlukumeza ngokobulili khona lapha esifundeni ngale kwalokho umphakathi wesikhululiwe village eMafube kumasipala weSteve Tshwete namhlanje unikelwe insetshenziswa abazozihloga kakhulu begodu abazozisebenzisa lezi nezinye ziyokuzwakala ihlelweni zibuya nabazumi khona lapha kuKwekwezi FM ngemva ukuthi sele yafundile ezihonyezweko uThemsile Msiza.
Asithokoze Sibu impela veke akube ngemnandi nephephile yokumbukeli ukuthola kwande sishaba sekosi.